You are watching Physio Guru. Welcome back to my channel. Lateral epicondylitis Part 3. First, conservative treatment. It includes rest for pain control, NSAIDs, analgesics, RICE therapy, and local anesthetic injections are given. Physiotherapy treatment. What modalities can be given are ultrasound, laser, phono, or iontophoresis. B. Bracing. Heat retaining brace, counter force brace, neoprene brace wear at 10 cm below the pain area, that is upper forearm. C. Exercise. Soft tissue therapy includes transverse friction in stretch position and digital ischemic pressure. Stretching of PCRB muscle can be given. Strengthening is done. Taping example are deloading technique and diamond shape taping. Low intensity isometrics, on which I have already made a video, you can see. Then Mills maneuver is done. It is a final option before surgery. It is forceful extension of a fully flexed and pronated forearm. A click sound is heard. It is like a chiropractic or osteopathic technique. Now, what will be the surgical treatment? Indications for surgical treatment: severe pain for at least 6 weeks, marked and localized tenderness, failure to respond to restricted activity or immobilization for at least 2 to 6 weeks. Now, the method of surgery. Percutaneous release of epicondylar muscles is done and it is shifted to distal point. Elbow is positioned at 90-degree flexion in above elbow cast, and excision of bursa and synovial fringes are done if present. Now lastly, the rehabilitation part after surgery. Wrist flexion extension, forearm supination pronation, and wrist ulnar and radial deviation. All these motions are done with 3 sets of 10 reps every day for 2 to 6 weeks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.